Hello friends, my name is Suraj and you're watching Dive into Tech, and we are going to continue with our JavaScript series, and today we are going to talk about nested statements and Boolean in JavaScript. So let's start the video. Okay, let's first define a variable where a is equal to 10, where b is equal to 20, and nested statements actually mean that there are one or more if statements, not one, more than one if statements or else statements. So let's start. If a is less than 20, if b is greater than 20, let's make it equal to document dot write everything is so easy. So you can see what I've done here is I've created a variable a 20 10 and variable b as 20. Now it checks if a is less than 20. Yes, the value of a, which is 10, is less than 20. Now it checks further that if b is greater than 20, greater than equal to 20. Yes, the value of b is greater than equal to 20. So we'll have to the code will output this. Everything is so easy. Let's check it. So you can see that the output is everything is so easy. So it means that we are learning something about nested statements. Here nested means that I've created an if part, and inside that I've created another if. So this is what a nested statement does. And if by mistake I remove equal to from here, then it will not go to the if statement, that is documented right, and we'll use another else part, document dot write hell no, everything is not so easy. So you can see that I've created another else part, and now I'll check that if a is less than 20. Yes, a is less than 20, and if b is greater than 20, which is not, because b is equal to 20 and it is not greater than 20, so it will go to the else part and print this, hell no, everything is not so easy. So let's check. Yeah, the answer is hell no, everything is not so easy. Now you have learned the basic of nested statements. Now let's go to the Boolean part. What I'll do is I'll just remove this less than 20, and I'll remove this greater than 20 and save it. And let's first show you the answer. The answer is everything is so easy. It is because here actually it means that if a, and the default value of a will be true, and so it will be with b also if b, which is the default value of b, is true, and it will go to the document.write everything is not so easy. So you know what, for every blank value there is a true value defined by default, and if I'll remove this equal to 10 and equal to 20, and if I'll check it now, I'll create another else part. Sorry. Let's check it now. So it's printing that everything is so tough. It is because variable a is not defined anything, so it will automatically be assigned to false. Okay, and when I'll be checking for the condition if a, which means that if a is true, but here we haven't defined anything, which means that a is false. Okay, so it won't go to this condition, therefore it will come to the else part and print this. And if I define a is equal to 10, now here it means that a has a default value, a has a value which is equal to true, and it will go to this part, but here b is not defined, so it will go to the else part and print this. Let's check. So you can see that it is printing hell no, everything is not so easy. So that was all for today, guys. And if you like this video and want some more of the tutorials, please subscribe me, and I'll be uploading some of the next videos of this tutorial, and later I'll be continuing with what is data scrapping and what is web scrapping. So subscribe me, and thank you. And guys, if you haven't subscribed my Instagram, sorry, if you haven't followed my Instagram, go follow that, because I'll be uploading some more of that questions in Instagram, so you can uh, go and answer there and get some rewards. Thank you.